Individually wrapped chopsticks. Wet wipes and spoon packing machine. It can be equipped with various feeders, napkin folding and feeding device, knife, fork and spoon feeder, wet wipes, gloves or cards feeder, paper wrapped toothpick feeder, paper salt bag feeder, etc. The thickness of the packaging film is 1.8 to 60 microns. PP, P, BOPP, synthetic paper can be used for packing. The machine operates stably with a low failure rate.